Located in Doha's Hamad International Airport, Oryx Airport Hotel is a transit-only hotel, which means you'll stay within the airport's secured area. Once you get off your flight, you'll head to the Lamp Bear statue in the central area of the airport, and you'll find the hotel entrance behind the Hermes store. I checked in around midnight and was given a checkout time of 2 p.m. Rooms can be booked for a nightly rate or on an hourly basis for shorter layovers. Your room has an in-room coffee and tea station, and 24-hour room service is available. You can also head back down into the airport and take advantage of any of the airport's restaurants during your stay. You also have access to the hotel's pool and fitness center during your stay. Rooms also include a toothbrush amenity kit, which comes in handy because if you're on a layover, odds are good your bag is checked through to your final destination, and if you're like me, you've forgotten to pack your toothbrush in your carry-on. Rooms that overlook the central area of the airport can be quite loud, especially this year as the airport celebrates its 10th anniversary. While I was there, they had a DJ playing until 1 a.m. The sliding doors that cover the windows dulled the sound somewhat, but not completely. Thankfully, I was so tired from a long transit day, I didn't have any trouble sleeping.